Of course, before you can go to class, you must select your classes. Plan to review your degree audit and/or speak to your academic advisor to confirm which courses you need to take each quarter or semester. Be sure that you know your registration date and time each quarter or semester, and that you register for classes as early as you are able to, in order to increase the chance of registering for the classes you need and want. Despite many students believing it is best to complete all their general education classes during their first 2 years, and then to complete all of their major requirements during their final 2 years, that is always a mistake. It is best to balance general education courses with major requirements each quarter or semester throughout your 4 years. It is also best to spread your classes out over the 5 days of the week, as opposed to scheduling all of your classes on only 2 or 3 days during the week, in an attempt to have 2 or 3 days free of classes. Although the 2 or 3 days free of classes may seem appealing, the 2 or 3 days that you do have classes will be long, tiring, and overwhelming. Balance is key. The classes one takes are dependent upon one's major. Another mistake many students make is to select a major based on external criteria, such as family expectations, or which major they think will lead to a particular profession. Selecting a major based on external criteria can result in a student disliking their major and, similarly, lacking interest in their classes, which always leads to poor performance. Choose a major based on your interests. If your interests change your major. Being in a major that interests you will result in classes that interest you. A student who is interested in their classes will always perform better than a student who is not interested in their classes.